Moving on to gold on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've had our 4-hour break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. Now this high here is relatively strong because it liquidated a high to the left, and therefore I do expect this market structure to continue pushing price back in towards the downside. Once we've got the market structure, the next confluence we look for is liquidity, where I would like to see this point of liquidity get taken as it's a significant point within this overall impulse. However, it could still be likely though that we come up to take up the most highest point of liquidity before then seeing that real move in towards the downside play out. What I want to see on the 1-hour time frame is the confirmation after we grab the liquidity. So in this instance, this is the market structure that we have. This is the 4-hour liquidity high. What I want to see is this demand chain continue pushing price up to take out this high. If price took out that high, this would then become the demand zone. If we then break that demand zone, it would be a supply zone that was in control, and any retracement into that supply zone could be that opportunity to target all of this trendline liquidity and the weak swing low. Moving on to Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can see we've had that break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. Now we are trading after a break of structure, and short positions are now lower probability. However, this supply zone is still currently in control, and if we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we could continue down lower off of this. This is our impulse here. We have liquidity here, here, and here. These are the most significant ones in my opinion, where I'd be happy to look for that short position. We have now seen a liquidation of this high here, and this is the demand zone that's currently in control. And if we were to break this demand zone, come back up to retest it, I'd be happy to look for a short down towards the weak swing low. However, I am understanding that we still have this liquidity open, which could be where the move happens, or in fact on the daily we could be looking to switch bullish to have a deeper retracement towards some more significant points of liquidity, which would be up here at these highs over here.